We're gonna do the Icon Team Merc jacket review. Now, do I recommend it? Simply yes. It's a really good quality jacket. Now, the only wear it has, you can't see that, but the black right here, it's fading out a little. But I had this for years and years, like 2-3 years, I think, maybe 4. Like 3 or 4 years, and the black right here and the black right here, it's barely fading out, barely. Now, with all Icon gear, they'll always come with D3O armor all around, so that's really good. However, I don't like it because on the back part, it tends to like kind of like rip or something like that. That's just only based on my experience. I'm not too sure if it happens to everyone else. Now, the quality is actually really good. I really like it. There's nothing wrong with, oh, what was that? Now, there's nothing wrong with Icon gear, really. The only problem that I had with it is that it doesn't fit me well. Yeah, I know that I did lose a lot of weight, and so this jacket's like way too big for me, but what I meant by fitment is that how well it fits to your body. So basically, I am more like a European size, basically, when my body shape isn't like straight down from my hips. You can say like it kind of has a curve, basically. Notice me, notice me, notice me! What's up, man? I was trying to get attended that 250, the TBR 250R. I hate this grass. See, I can't do that. I can't really do that. It's annoying. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah. So the fitment on my particular body shape is doesn't fit well at all. So basically, with my body, that was real light. With my body shape, it's kind of like curved on the hips, like a regular traditional American style. It would be more straight. Now, I'm not planning. I prefer my gear tight, very tight. I prefer that. Now, I'm not planning to buy another Icon gear simply because of that, because it doesn't fit my body well. However, Icon, it's a really good, on a budget, quality jacket. Now, I'm not too sure about the gloves or anything, but I do know the jackets are really well made. They last a long time. They're not using cheap stuff. The lettering on my jacket hasn't faded out or anything. There's no fading on it. There's no nothing on it, you know. Well, maybe the white did fade a little bit, but that's like just barely any. Overall, it's a really good quality jacket. Do I recommend it to people? Yes, I do. Depending on your body shape, like on the hips or curve. This jacket does not fit well when you have a curved hip, like I do. I'll be getting all the men from my curved hips. People like, hey girl, need a ride? Be like, flip on my bicycle. Be like, yeah, I do, boy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, and also, I forgot. It comes with this loop that like I always do something and I forgot about it. So now I'm not too sure how well it protects you, like from a crash supposedly. But this is a heavy jacket too. You know, so now it does have quite a bit of weight, and the protection is actually quite good. Now, ventilations, it's not that much, to be honest. The only way you get ventilations is that we can literally lift up your arms up. Hold up. It's literally when you lift your arms up. Really? 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 Just move on. Move on. I tell you to move on. I really don't care. Just move on with your life. I don't care. Just move on. I was like, move on. Just keep moving on. I don't care. Because I get all mad about it. Like, hey, I'm sorry. I was like, okay, whatever. Just move on. I really don't care what you have to say. To be honest, just move on. Anyway, so that's the end of this regulations of those icon teamwork jacket. So the only way to get air is to lift your arm up, because there's literally a zipper right here on the side, like our armpit. You just unzip that. You lift your arm up, and like, yay, air. That's it. I think I'm more of a short out type of person, but like, man, that's good. I don't know how much. I need to check the Turkish trips. I need to check that. You know what? I have an idea. Maybe one day I'll put this bike as a track bike. Huh? Anyone get an idea? One day. Okay, so I thought I did a lot better. So I only have about very little. How should I say this? Half of this, basically, yeah, half of this, of the white part of the finger. Bruh, this is awesome. Wee. My front ones? Barely. 1/3. About like 1/3. Wow. Oh my god. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh yeah, that's like a serious crash. Oh my god. I hate it because I hate these grips. I can't grip them. I can't grip them to rib match. Because look. No, this is terrible. Look at that. As you can see, I'm doing this. Oh, there it goes. Now grips. Yeah, this is just not right. These are horrible grips. Look at that. Wait, this is not normal. That's how bad these grips are. That's 3 red lights. 3. Oh my god, that's a slow drive. I was a slow driver, even the semi just wants to pass them. Oh god. How we speak to one another. Oh, someone got lava. I didn't really pass it. Before expired tax or something, corruption, what?